today's the day we're going to be installing the new wheels on this VW. If you haven't seen the video for the wheels being refurbished, it should be up here or up here somewhere. But I'm super excited today because we're going to be installing two modifications. The first one being the wheels and the second one being... On this channel, we will not be using any digital machines. So what we're going to be doing today is going the good old-fashioned way, the good old manual way. See you later. Right, so I'll tell you what you do with this, what we're going to do with this wheel. This is very important. We're going to look after this wheel. Look, our future's rolling in. That is beautiful. Just beautiful. It's not even on yet. Instantly, the car looks much better. Right now, I've got that black accent look going on. And then look at this thing. Look at this thing. So in this envelope, we have the best modification of the day that we're going to be putting on the car today. And it's this thing right here. And it's these beauties right here. These two-way mirrors. So these mirrors, some people call them blind spot mirrors, but I call them keep your wheels from curbing mirrors. So you can actually see the pavement. Check where we're going to stick this. Right towards the bottom. From all of today, that has to be the best thing that we've done so far. The car's now done and I am over the moon with the results.